Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now, today, I wasn't planning a trip here to SYM. We're at SYM, by the way. But the guys called me up, said, Alex, we got something in a box, brand new, first one here in Romania. Wanna be part of the unboxing? How could I say no? How could I say no? Come on, let's go in, let's see what they have to show us. I'll get myself messed up and let's get cracking. Come on. Now, before we get to the main event, let me know down in the comments below if you want to see videos on some zone tense motorcycles. We have here the T1, the R1, and the X310. Also, we have the SYM NHT and the NHX. So let me know down in the comments. Do you want to see me make videos on these ones? Alright guys, welcome to the Maxsym 400, the first one in the country. This is not a review, this is just gonna be a quick walk around. We barely just got it out of the box. Let's see what we can see. First look. Okay, so this is the scooter. Up front, LED headlights and LED running lights. Unfortunately, I can't show them because the battery is still not in, it's that fresh. LED turn signals, more up front. Back there is the radiator. Brake, I still don't have the specs, I don't know what size, but you can see we have ABS and we have 4-piston caliper up front. Windscreen, manually adjustable, as you can see, it's on a rail. Windscreen is not mounted yet, it's over there. Alright, what else? Analog dash with a digital center. Switch gear very similar to the Cruise Sim. In case you've missed the review on the Cruise Sim, this one here, the Alpha, click up here, there'll be a link. Back to the Maxsym. So analog dash with digital center. We have adjustable brake levers, both to left and right. Keyless go, seat popper, 2 cubby holes. One of them has a USB charger up here. They are extremely deep. They're not big, but extremely deep. Fuel tank is down here. Let's see, moving on. Maxsym nomenclature. Side stand and center stand. Rear LED lights, full LEDs. Twin shocks at the rear. Engine is a normal scooter configuration, single cylinder, 400cc, 32 horsepower. We have a parking brake for when you put the side stand, it automatically locks the brake. Dual piston caliper on the back. Let's see the underseat storage. Adequate for 2 helmets. We have a diagram here. Nice wide and comfortable seat. In terms of wheels, we got a 15-inch up front and a 14 in the back. Really nice. One more look around. Alright guys, that has been it. This has been just a quick first look. at the new Maxsym 400. I will try to get it at least for a static review, a proper static review, to give you all the facts, all the details, to go around it properly like we did with the Cruise Sim. Check out the channel for more reviews, more tips, more trips. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more. Take care out there and ride safe. Goodbye.